Hi, today we're gonna see what I think it's an improvement on the original recipe of the Spritz, the Italian aperitif drink. If you are happy with your Spritz, great. But if you're like me and you want something more from it, then follow along. I'm gonna show you something that I think it's a bit better. So let's start with the original recipe for the Spritz. There is not really an original one because there are thousands of recipes around Italy, but this is probably one of the most common. So what we need is Aperol and some chilled Prosecco. Not a Prosecco. This is made in Argentina, but it's made by Famiglia Zuccardi. Might be more Italian than me. So what do we need is some ice, $60 ml of Aperol, and 90 of Prosecco. Just add Prosecco until you have a nice orange color, I would say. Some people then add a bit of soda. I don't know. Do you really need soda? Okay, let's do it like they say. Give it a slight swirl. And then the all essential slice of orange. There you go. So now the classic Aperol Spritz has a beautiful color and it's really light. Yeah, delicious. If you like your drink to taste like grenadine. So let's spice it up a bit. Second, we're gonna make a Campari Spritz, which is exactly the same, just we use Campari. So I'm gonna go really quick. Ice. Campari, 60 ml. Prosecco. Soda, really? Slight amount of soda. Slice of orange, without cutting my finger possibly. There you go. So the Spritz with a Campari. Darker red color. Deeper flavor. This pack a bit more a punch because the Campari also has a bit more alcohol content, about double than the Aperol. Aperol goes to 11% ABV. Campari has 25% ABV. So you get a bit more punch, but still it lacks nuance. It's just like a punch in the gut. You're there, you want to do an aperitivo, you want it to be nice. So if you want it to be light, you really want the Aperol one. If you want it to be a bit stiffer, you want the Campari one. But what about if we combine the best of both worlds and we do a better version, in my opinion, of the Spritz? Enter the Trillitz. So for this version, which I call the Trillitz, we're gonna need a couple more ingredients. We're gonna need Luxardo, a good sweet vermouth, in this case Antica Formula by Carpano, and still Campari, plus of course the Prosecco drink. So let's start with the ice. Let's start with 10 milliliters of Luxardo. Let's continue with 10 mils of Antica Formula. Let's finish with 45 mils of Campari. Let's top it off with some Prosecco. Gentle swirl. And our orange slice. Ooh. There you go. Cheers. This is the best. It combines the bit of higher alcohol content of the Campari version with a bit more nuance. It's a nice drink. It's not gonna get you bored, and it's gonna carry you through the night. So if you enjoyed this video, please check out if I will ever have any other video about drinks, and smash that subscribe button, and I'm gonna try to drink all this. It's 2 in the afternoon. Wish me luck. Chin.